shaping. To the salon!
I love it.
Hello and welcome to the ED2492A-SALON management system. So this project began on December 1st, 2021. Our crew has decided to focus on salon management system project. So first and foremost, in today's salon, it's vital to incorporate the usage of technology tools, especially to assist and simplify the process of reserving slots and calculating client's bill. Along with the billing, our salon system can keep track of employee pay and client information. This is a full system that manages a salon's whole operation. The system also handles billing and data storage for customers. We face a lot of difficulty throughout the development of the program. One of the most difficult challenges we faced was figuring out how to apply the notion of functions in a different context. We also stress the importance of our system in enabling the upkeep of a user-friendly salon system, also ensure that our system complies with the new millennium's information technology needs. So our objective for the training is for them to be able to solve the management difficulties that salons encounter. So our software integrates several functionalities into a single package. So statement of the issue, the reason for the necessity for this system is that the WinFlow Saloon lack a proper management system. The existing WinFlow Saloon likewise has a restricted amount of time for employees and consumers due to the system's availability only during business hours. Aside from that, the present WinFlow Saloon management system lacked a comprehensive range of service options, did not provide clients with the whole total amount before they could make a payment. A customer also didn't have many alternatives for how to pay their bill because the system only allowed for cash payments. Next, the salon's worker encounters several issues with the present system administration. Employees are unable to view their monthly bonus. As a result, we want to assist the salon with updating and managing its salon management system. So we hope that as a result of this, consumers and employees will not have to deal with all of these issues in their everyday lives.
Next, there are 5 objectives for this project, which are to arrange process customer booking slot, to maintain record of sale in payment system, to develop system display and handle data, to allow staff check salary and bonus, and lastly, to improve salon management. For the user system, the system applies to all the staff and customer. Users must choose a staff or customer in the system. If they are customer, they need to enter their name, phone number, service, member, and lastly, the system will display details of payment. But if the user are staff, they need to enter their name, ID staff, and hour of work to print slip of their salary and bonus.
Now it is time to explain the scope. We are using 5 scopes in our project. The first is sequential. We have using the sequential scope integrating login, sleep, service, and receipt function. Secondly, selection scope. Staff function, customer function, and service function also contain the selection method. Next is iteration. We have used iteration in the output to continue the system in the staff name and ID and also calculate the salary. After that is repetition. We have used the repetition while customer input the number of service and choose the services according to the number that they have input. Lastly, scope of function. The function scope are in the main, greeting, login, staff, staff page, and more function else. Next, we move on to the advantages. The main advantages of this system is it can be used for 24 hours. So that means even though it is out of the office hours, the customer still can book their slot. Second advantage is the staff can check the exact amount of the salary and the bonus. This will give the staff a more accurate calculation of the payment instead of calculating it manually by the hire. Third, customer can book in their slot, know the total price they must be paid in several ways like cash, credit, and PayPal, and also know the details of their booking with the receipt given by the system. Hence, the customer will easily see the flow of the bill come from. Last but not least, the system will be user-friendly and up-to-date for all staff and customers. We have used the standard symbols and easy words to understand. The user will feel easy to use it without having a manual of use it.
So now I will continue for the flow chart. As you can see, we have three flow chart, which is main menu, staff, and customer. Alright, first I will explain to you our main menu. As you can see here, first we start the menu and process it. In the menu, you need to choose either staff or customer. Then, if you choose the staff and the staff is true, we will go to the second part, which is the A, the staff system. Or as you choose the customer is true, then we will go to the third part, which is B, the customer system. After A and B done, then the system will provide you a slip or receipt for you. Then, the system will terminate on self. Alright, in the staff system, we start with A, as you can see beside me. Alright, in the staff, we have three selection menu, which is salary, bonus, and logout. First, if you choose the salary, you need to input your hours of work, and then it will display the salary you will get on that month. After that, you will need to choose either to continue to calculate your bonus or exit just to know your salary. If me, I will continue to check the bonus. Also, the same procedure that you will need to input your hours of work for your bonus, and then it will display the bonus you get. The total payment and last one is will show you slip salary in that month. But if you are a customer and you are wrong to choose that staff system, then you can choose the logout and then it will go back in the menu to choose the customer. Now we go for the third section, which is the customer system B. Alright, here first you need to input your name and phone number. Then the system will display you the service you want to use from us. After that, you can choose how many you want and choose the service that we provide. Next, we will calculate the service for you and for your payment. In the next part, you will need to choose whether you are our member or not. If you are our member, you will get a discount from us, and if not, you will pay the normal price. Next, you need to input the date and time for your booking. Lastly, we will calculate the total payment, and in the last step, you need to choose what you prefer to pay with us. With that, we have three types of payment, which is cash, credit card, and PayPal. After settling all this, and then we will provide you the receipt of the service for you to us and before you use our service. Last but not least, after you use our system wisely, then we will terminate it for you. After we are done with the flowchart, now I will show you a demo of our salary management system in coding and also the example input-output for it. First, we see the header. We have IO stream, string H, C time, IO money, and student leave. So, yes, we have the main. And then you say for get line, string H, C time for time, IO money for set position. And then we have a declaration, void greeting, void login, staff. We have void staff, void staff page, and void sleep. And then void customer, display, and service price. Service that offer, we have all the offer our service. And then the main function, we use login. We have the greeting, the login. We use the system CLS for staff, customer. And then for the staff, we need to input the name, the staff ID. And we have 4 staff, which is Iza, Aina, Hidayah, and Rashida. And then the staff page, we will ask for salary, bonus, and if you're a customer, you will log out from this. And then you need to input the hours of your work for salary and bonus. And we will also show you a slip for customer. You need to input the name, number phone, and service you want to book. And then if you choose 3, and then you will need to input the A, B, C, D, or until we have the service. So after that, we will calculate the total price, and then the member, if you are a member, you will get a discount, and if you're not, you will get normal price. And then we will ask for cash. You want to pay with cash, credit card, or PayPal, and then after that, we will provide you the service, the slip.